First open ArcMap. So here it is. It will take some time, for me around a minute. The first thing we need to do is go to the catalog, and then you have to add a new folder, the folder where your data are. So I have put my data in this PC, then it's in the D drive, so it's in the remote sensing folder, and within remote sensing there's remote sensing lab first. So within lab first I have to select lab 1 data. It's a long process. So this is the folder that I need to connect, so I do it okay. So now here it is. Now I go inside, then there are 3 words, but for now we need to georeference only JSL.tif and this one. So I drag it, hold the mouse, drag it and pull it down. Similarly, I go to the same path which has already been connected, drag it, pull it down. Okay, there are minor errors. So when you want to see the whole map, right click it and zoom to layer. Similarly for the next layer as well, right click and zoom to layer. To do georeferencing, the first thing we need to do is we need a georeferencing toolbar. So right click here, anywhere around here, and you can see a lot of list where you can find georeferencing. Check it, and now you get a georeferencing toolbar. Then we need to set the data frame properties by going to view. So here are data frame properties, and go to general and make sure the units are in meters, both of them. And now go to coordinate system, and there are lots of coordinate system, among which we have to choose this Beijing 1953. Then click OK. We have to know a few things about the georeferencing toolbar. So here is add control points and then auto registration. Similarly, here you can see the view link table and here the viewer. So let's start. This shows that there are already 4 georeference points made. So we don't need this because we need to do our own georeferencing. So I think it's better to delete them all. Okay, because now we want to do our own georeferencing. There are 2 layers of 2 maps. So this is the main one. So zoom to layer. Okay, another zoom to layer. The first thing we will now do is add control points. So since I don't need this map, I will just hide it. Now here I will choose at least 4 to 5 points in which I can georeference the points. I'm moving the roller of the mouse up and down. So here is Sun Yat-sen Mausoleum. I will choose this as my first point. So I will choose here in the middle. It's the first point. Then I can see a line moving around. Then I will hide it. Then I will show this one. I will again move the roller of my mouse up and down so that I can zoom in and zoom out. Now here is the Sun Yat-sen Mausoleum. So I will choose this point. I want to make sure that the 2 points are similar. This is number 1. I can see this again in the view link table. Let it be here. So I'm going to choose a second point. First I want to choose it in TIFF map, so I will uncheck this so that it can be hidden. There's another way to do it easily. Right click it and zoom to layer. The another place I'm going to choose is, here's a pond. I have already seen all the details, so now I can find it very easily. I'm going to choose this point, the corner of this line here, as the second point. So now I can see number 2 here. Now I will uncheck this, I will check this, and then okay, it's already very near. So this is the point that I chose. It's already very near. Let me see it again. Okay, yes, that is the point. So here is the place. Then I choose 2. Now the third place, I'm going to choose near. Okay, here's a stadium. And by its left side there's another stadium, and here's a small point. So I think this will be a good point to select. So here I go. Now I uncheck this, I check this, and I check the center again. The counterparts are coordinated or not well distributed. This will affect the wrap up. Okay. Right click and zoom to layer. So what I need to do is I have to find another point. So I'm going to choose it somewhere around here. Scroll your mouse. Okay, here is a way, and here's a stadium. So here's another way. I will choose a point where they intersect in the middle, maybe. Yes, I choose it here. Right click, zoom to layers. Okay, check it. It's somewhere near. Yeah, it's exactly on the right place. Okay, it's cool. It can wrap up the map, no problem. We can fix that. So now in the view table I have seen that I have already 4 points, so that should be enough. So now let's zoom to layer. Let's enter the map as well. They are geo-referenced, but I have not finished it yet. Here on this map we can see a new way that has been connected here, which is not on the topo map. I don't see the way on the topo map. Here in this table, the one we got from here, fueling table, we can see all the details have been given here. Here the residuals are less than 1, so I think the work is satisfactory. After that I close this and then I go to geo-referencing. Then I just update it. So this will affect the wrap. This will affect the wrap result. So what happens is the map can get distorted a little bit. Okay. After the update, all I have to save what I've done. So rectify. So where I'm going to save it is, I'm going to choose a place for myself. I'm going to save in my original folder. So I've chosen a folder and then I just save it there. After this, we'll create a new vector.